wanted her to stay at sabihing nagkamali ako. Pinakawalan ko siya dahil akala ko makukuha ko yung trabaho. I told her I can't afford long distance kaya pinabayaan niya na ako. Nasaktan ko siya. Iniwan ko siyang luhaan para sa pangarap ko. Pero dumating yung araw na dinay yung visa ko. Di na nakapaghintay yung kumpanya kaya nag-hire na sila ng bago. Ako si Ron. How will I ask someone to stay kung nagawa ko siyang iwan before? Ayokong mauna. I'm too proud for that. Well, my love, if you are too proud to admit to someone that you love na nagkamali ka, to admit to someone you love that you shouldn't have let her go just because you think magiging hadlang siya sa mga pangarap mo, then maybe you did the right thing. Not because she doesn't deserve you, but because you don't deserve her. Maybe kailangan itong mangyari so that you can realize na hindi lahat ng achievements mo kailangan ilagay mo sa ulo mo. I do understand yung complexity ng long distance relationship. It's not easy. It's not for everybody. Yan nga yung sinasabi ko lagi. Pag LDR, it's not for everybody. Pero if you have made your decision even before you tried, then maybe, my love, the problem is with you. The way you see things, the way you define your partner, the way you take your relationship. Ano ba yan sa'yo? Ano lang ba yan for emotional stability so that someone can be proud of you? So that someone will clap kapag meron kang mga milestones in life? Or option lang ba siya para if everything is going south, merong taong sasalo sa'yo? Kasi if that's how you see your relationship, then I don't think you do understand yung ibig sabihin ng romantic relationship na yan. Then maybe you don't understand what it means kapag sinabing, I love you. And I'm willing to be there for you. That I support you. I care for you. Kasi with the way mong tinitignan yung relationship nyo, my love, it's alarming how self-centered you can be. Ano yun? Ano yung tunog na? Sorry na, na-distracted ako. May something na tunog na parang may palaka sa lalamunan ko. Well, anyway, balik. Maybe, my love, you don't understand what this relationship entails para sa'yo. Or how to take care of your partner the same way they take care of you. My love, if you really love someone, go back to them not because wala ka nang pupuntahang iba, not because it did not work out dun sa nauna mong plano, sa naging rason kung bakit mo sila nilet go. When you go back to them, make sure it's for the right reason. Kasi you have already let them go for the wrong one. So at least man lang kung babalik ka, you have to show them that you've grown, na meron kang na-realize along the way. Hindi yung babalik ka kasi wala. Sinaraduhan ka na ng pinto wala kang pupuntahan, so babalik ka na lang. Kasi I am telling you, if that's how you're planning to get her back, Ron, it's not gonna happen. Kasi she will see right through you. That the reason why you are going back to her is not because you love her, but because you have no option left but to go back to her and hope and pray that things will go back the way it was before mo siya i-let go for greener pasture. Naintindihan mo ako, my love? If you really want her, you have to want her for the right reasons. You have to realize your faults, own up to your mistake, and change. You have to initiate yung progress sa sarili mo na, hey, now I know that if I really love this girl, if ever another opportunity opens up for me, my first thing to do sa to-do list ko is not to let her go. Kasi yun yung convenient para sa akin. Kasi doon hindi ako mahihirapan. Kasi doon I can focus myself sa work. Kasi that person is trying to support you in every way she can. The least you can do for her is consider her as part of your journey. Hindi stepping stone para makapunta ka doon sa pinapangarap mo. Naintindihan mo ko, my love? Kung babalik ka sa kanya, pride aside, bumalik ka for the right reason. Kasi right now, you are not even worthy to ask her to go back to you. Hindi ka nga worthy para balikan. Ayusin mo muna yung sarili mo, my love. The right person will always support you, no matter how hard the journey might be. Kahit pa long distance yan, basta nasa tamang tao ka. And basta committed ka, it will be bearable. So again, my love, if you want to go back to her, if you want to ask her to be with you again, I suggest i-figure out mo muna kung gusto mo ba siya bumalik sa'yo dahil mahal mo siya o gusto mo siyang bumalik sa'yo dahil kailangan mo siya. Kasi kung yung reason ay yung latter, do her a favor. Just don't go back. Claro? Claro.